Alright. Hey guys, what is up? Steel with Feather here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do square roots without having to use a calculator. So say you're on a stranded island somewhere, and all you have is a compass and a straight edge, and you absolutely need to find the square root of a number. And you don't have a calculator. Well, you're screwed, unless you know this. So, we're going to draw a straight line. Now we're going to measure this in centimeters, just so we can use a smaller unit. But as you see, we're just going to draw, oh, that's a bad angle. Just draw a straight line. There we go. Alright, so this is a segment. Draw a straight line segment, just like that. And we'll give that whatever length it has. Let's see. It is 15 centimeters long. So that's what we're going to be trying to find the square root of, 15 centimeters. We're trying to find the square root of 15. So if I just add one more centimeter to it, just like that. So I've added a centimeter. And draw that on. So now that we've done that, take your compass, eyeball the midpoint. I'm going to say it's right about there. And take your compass. Here, hold on. So I'm going to say the midpoint's right about there. Take your compass and open it to a little bit above, or a little bit past your eyeballed midpoint. So, draw this. I've already done a video on this. That's what this is. But it wasn't good. I'm redoing it. So yeah, just make an arc like that, and then go to the other side without changing the compass, and then do it again. Now once you've done that, take your straight edge. So you bisected this line. Just like that. So once you bisected it, take your compass. And yeah. Put the point on the midpoint, which is this right here, and extend it to one of your points. Like that. It doesn't really matter which one because they're both the same length each segment. So just draw a semicircle. It's going to get a little bit messy because it's going up into the other diagram. So yeah, if I just draw a semicircle, as you see, you can split the points. And now, this is where we get tricky. Take your compass. So you can't use a measured ruler, but I did that just to find so that we know we're square rooting. But you can, it's hard to explain. We're going to do it as if you have a measured ruler and you're allowed to use it. But back then, when they tried to do this, you weren't allowed to use measured rulers. Anyway, so now just take this line and make a copy of it right here. Like that. So you've doubled that length. And now pretend that middle point isn't there, and bisect it. A little bit too big. Now, just bisect this. That's a little bit too big. Or a little bit too small, rather. There we go, that's perfect. So yeah, you're just gonna bisect it like you don't already have the midpoint. Because this way we get it perpendicular. And that's what we want. There we go. Once you bisected it, your line should cut right through your midpoint that you already have, but we don't like that one because we want to have it perpendicular. So yeah, this part gets a little hairy. One second. So as you see, we have this now. We're just going to connect these 2 points where they intersect, just like you would if you were bisecting. Oop. I'm sorry, I'm moving through the viewfinder of the camera. Anyway, connect these 2 points. Start at the bottom one, go up to the top one, focus, and then just keep going until you reach the edge of that semicircle, just like that. And now, this segment right here is the square root 15. The square of what you started with. So let's test it. That was 15. We'll measure this, and then we'll find the square root of 15 on a calculator. So we'll test to see if this is right. So let's just measure this. We're going to bury a centimeter. So it looks like it is 3.5 centimeters. So I don't know if that's right, but let's see, calculator. Square root of 15 equals 15 square root equals 3.8. So this was 3.5. Hold on, I think I might have measured wrong. I just estimated. Yep, this is right. So it was 3.8 when we use the calculator. Now that we're using the measurement, which you're not supposed to be able to, as you see, I started at 5, so that's 3. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, anyway, it's 3.8. So yeah, that's how you find the square root. That noise is so satisfying, I know. That's how you find the square root with just a compass and a straight edge. We just used the calculator and the measuring device to prove it. To prove that this method works, and it does. I tried it with 4 up here, and it worked. I got 2. So yeah. I did it with inches though, so it was easier for me. But I just want to do this one so that I could use the calculator and I could have a smaller measurement and get a bigger number. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment some other things that I should talk about, and yeah, some other things that you would like to see help make my channel look a little bit better. So yeah, goodbye.